Milkha Singh lifestyle. Captain Milkha Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh, was an Indian track and field sprinter who was introduced to the sport while serving in the Indian Army. Age and date of birth. He was born on 20 November 1929. Birthplace. He was born in Govindpura, a village 10 kilometers from Muzaffargarh city in Punjab province, British India. Death. Milkha Singh passed away on 18 June 2021. Family. Milkha Singh's brother name is Malkhan Singh. Milkha Singh's sister name is Ishwar Singh. Milkha Singh's wife name is Nirmal Saini. Milkha Singh's son name is Jeev Milkha Singh, professional golfer. Milkha Singh also had 3 daughters. Education. Milkha Singh studied at a village school in Pakistan up to 5th standard. Career. He was instead persuaded by his brother to attempt recruitment to Indian Army. He successfully gained entrance on his 4th attempt. In 1951, while stationed at the Electrical Mechanical Engineer Center in Secunderabad, he was introduced to athletics. He was selected by the Army for special training in athletics after finishing 6th in a compulsory cross-country run for new recruits. He had acknowledged how the Army introduced him to the sport. He represented India in the 200-meter and 400-meter competitions of the 1956 Melbourne Olympic Games. In 1958, he set records for the 200-meter and 400-meter in National Games of India held at Cuttack, and also won gold medals in the same events at the Asian Games. He then won a gold medal in the 400-meter competition at the 1958 British Empire and Commonwealth Games with a time of 46.6 seconds. In 1962, Singh won gold in the 400-meter and in the 4x400-meter relay at Asian Games held in Jakarta. He was awarded the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian award, following his success in 1958. Biopic. In 2013, his biographical film was made named Bhag Milkha Bhag, and his role was played by Farhan Akhtar. Net worth. Milkha Singh's net worth is Rs 14 crores 70 lakhs. Thank you for watching.